Look at this cloud of dust that this woman is creating from her blowing dust everywhere. Where does she think she's cleaning up the streets and it's just blowing everywhere? Where does she think it's gonna land? And look at these guys over here. It is now, I think, about 4:15 in the morning. They've been doing this since 3 o'clock in the morning. Look at this huge cloud dust she's creating. Hello, you don't know anything about OSHA? Look at this guy. He's not even wet dusting, he's dry dusting. They're blowing everything everywhere. Yeah, you need to train your people, City of Buffalo. They obviously don't know how to clean sweep the streets. You do this wet, not dry. Huge cloud dust over there where she's blowing. Oh well, so much for my sleep this morning. Nice cloud dust, buddy.